Welcome to my first episode of my speculative evolution thing. Now, if this is the first episode, it will be about domain. And not domain expansion. So, we should first get into the types of domains that I will want to have. Obviously, we're going to have our big guys, the eukaryotes, and also our little guys, the prokaryotes. I think it's this way. I don't remember which way it is, but yeah. Now, I also want to have eukaryotes to the sequel. I just realized I can't spell sequel. Electric Boogaloo. Electric Boogaloo. That's not how you spell Boogaloo, but it's better. I don't know how to read. I'm gonna actually assign each of these a color. For simplicity's sake. You gotta love your RPGs. Anyways, starting off with eukaryotes. They're gonna just kind of be similar to how we have them here on Earth. Cell. Cell with nucleus. And we also give it like a cell wall. Boom. And prokaryotes, they're also going to be kind of the same on Earth. Literally the same thing, but with no nucleus. Who would have guessed? And for blue, it is going to be kind of similar to the ones we are familiar with, the normal eukaryotes, with a slight key difference. Let me just draw this real quick. Oh, I stutter. Now the key difference is that this one, red, will have a mitochondria. I should stick to typing because that is ancient Egypt, ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs. The red, the eukaryotes will have a mitochondria. Boom, bop, boom, they have that, yep. Green. Your prokaryotes. No mitochondria. Pretty much change these to black. And then blue will also have no mitochondria. So this is like pure eukaryotes. This is just prokaryotes, and this is like something. It's a eukaryote. It just like it doesn't have a mitochondria. Which, yes, I did my research. You can do that. That's possible. Somehow. I'm just gonna, yeah. And as there earlier, this one has no nucleus. This one has a nucleus. And this one also has a nucleus. That's pretty much it for domains. Probably move this down a bit. Boom. Got eukaryotes, prokaryotes, and these guys, which I haven't thought of a name for yet. But I'll think of a name for later in like the next episode.